Introduce the anticipation surrounding Apple's next-generation M5 Mac Mini. Briefly recap the evolution of the Mac Mini, highlighting the transition from Intel to Apple Silicon. Set the stage for an in-depth exploration of the M5 Mac Mini's expected features, release timeline, and its significance in Apple's product lineup. Early days. Discuss the inception of the Mac Mini in 2005 as a compact, affordable Mac option. Design evolution. Trace the physical and internal changes over the years, including the shift to unibody aluminum design and the introduction of Apple Silicon. Performance milestones. Highlight key performance improvements with each iteration, emphasizing the impact of M1 and M4 chips. Design refresh. Detail the 2024 redesign that introduced a sleeker, studio-inspired look. Hardware specs. Outline the M4 and M4 Pro configurations, including CPU/GPU cores, RAM, storage, and port selection. User reception. Summarize critical acclaim and user feedback, noting areas of praise and criticism. Processor upgrades. Discuss expectations for the M5 and M5 Pro chips, including potential increases in CPU and GPU cores. Memory and storage. Speculate on possible enhancements in RAM capacity and base storage options. Connectivity. Explore the likelihood of updated ports, such as Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7 support. Thermal management. Consider improvements in cooling solutions to handle increased performance. Production insights. Reference reports indicating mass production of M5 chips has commenced. Expected launch window. Analyze patterns in Apple's release schedule to predict a late 2025 or early 2026 debut. Market strategy. Discuss how the M5 Mac Mini fits into Apple's broader product ecosystem and targets both casual users and professionals. Comparison with previous models. Evaluate how the M5 Mac Mini stacks up against its predecessors in terms of performance and value. Rival devices. Compare anticipated specs with competing mini PCs from other manufacturers. Use cases. Identify ideal user scenarios, such as content creation, software development, and home entertainment. Historical pricing trends. Review the pricing history of Mac Mini models to set expectations. Predicted price points. Discuss rumors suggesting the base M5 model may start at $599, with the M5 Pro at $1,399. Summarize the key points discussed regarding the M5 Mac Mini's expected features and release. Personal insight. Share your perspective on the potential success and impact of the new model. Encourage viewers to subscribe for updates, share their thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for future content.